One thing has not changed for sure: the wackiness of the market. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, August the 3rd. And it was a very quiet, sedate overnight trade. And this morning, the Nasdaq is exploding up about 140. Dow, S&P popping, Russell popping, but they've been a little bit weaker. The Nasdaq remains the dominator here as you watch Apple, Microsoft, and others like that go wacko. In the meantime, again, our positions will not change. We're still long all for Russell, Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P. Okay? Nothing's going to change there. The metals have been really well. I think that's really been the story. Gold was up big. Last night opened up about almost 20 higher. Was down about 11 or 12. Now it's back slightly marginally higher. Platinum's popping up nicely. Silver continues to expand. So again, the metals were long all three, continue to go higher and work their way higher, even though there's been many attempts to sell them off here. Copper, higher. Again, that's been really well. It still could be a signal of a change. These wild markets usually indicate a possible trend change. Right? Natural gas, higher. The crude oil is now higher, was lower, now higher. Again, I think 41, 42 is about as high as it's going to get. We'll see where it goes from here. In the meantime, that's where it's at now, in the high 40, 40, 80 or so. So we'll see where we can go in these directions from here. The dollar is getting a bounce, which is not a surprise. We mentioned it yesterday that no surprise if we get a dead cat bounce in the dollar. What's going to happen from there is the real key. So the end game here is the markets are going bananas. And there's, again, it's light volume. It's not great. There's not great liquidity. And of course, the grains, they've now taken their turns. Corn is still somewhere on the flat line, slightly higher. Beans are up, wheat's down, bigger than all of them. So once again, you've got that same dynamic that again, they're just kind of rotating because there's really nothing going on. So at the end, you've got the same issues that are around, supply, demand, and overall lack of buying interest, and the funds are taking charge, pushing lower. Okay, the meats, both cattle, fat sand feeders are slightly higher. The hogs are down once again, and of course we're still long the cattle and short the hogs. And until something changes, again, I'd love to be long hogs here. Just like there's almost everything in ag I'd like to be long here that I'm not. Okay, because again, I think that is the right side. But again, as we sit, we will wait until the algorithm turns and says it's time to do so. In the meantime, see what happens. It's crazy. Our partners at Family Farms now, great partnership. Glad to be part of them. And of course, I'm going to Nebraska with them on Thursday. And of course, don't forget about our great brokerage partners, CTG for equities. For futures and commodities, letter of direction trading. They handle all of our letter of direction trading because they do it best, they give the best service, and they take care of it and they understand it. Besides, the only ones I'll allow to have the signals. The equities and options, Tradier. Again, I always just ask the same question. It's $10 a month. Why would you go anywhere else for the same thing when you can do it for $10? So again, Tradier, great service, the whole deal, plus the price. So what better can you get than the best plus the best price? And of course, Andy Heck's commodity report's been on fire. Sends out a spreadsheet every week of all the open trades that he is looking at, either through the future or through the ETF. Great report. You want to check it out, go to BubbaTrading.com, Technomental, and you can see that. And of course, our high school investing program. Again, we're just trying to help the high schools along. So if you want to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. And in the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Again, there's money to be made, but you got to be patient and careful enough to do so. Not, you're going to get trapped up in one of these big swings. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.